Sir, sorry nakakayaran sa inyo eh. What's up guys, another watch, another day. We have here Rolex Day-Date na yellow gold. This is a presidential bracelet, solid yellow gold. We're trading with sir actually here with the transitional model na Submariner natin. So ito, rehot siya, 2010, last of its kind. So we're doing a straight swap sana. However, si sir, mas nagustuhan niya ito. Itong Rolex na Yachtmaster na dala natin. This is a Platinum 2016. It's only one ngayon sa market as of now. With RSC certificate, RSC official receipt, and Rolex card din siya. This one naman, nag-negotiate pa kami ni sir. I was offering 125 na additional. Kasi ito guys, no papers na to para may box siya. Wala rin siyang manual and needs servicing, needs polishing, and needs repinning nito kasi medyo dito masikip yung dito, maluwag yung dito. So this one needs to repin yung end link niya. Alright? Sir, dito naman, pag kinapa niyo siya dito, may mga chip na siya sa loob. Since I'm gonna be selling it, syempre yung ano, ay may basag na sa loob. So ako, kailangan kong palitan yun sa So ito yung mga sinasabi ko sir, para ano nyo, na good deal na talaga yung sinasabi ko. May konting chips siya, nothing that a polish can't remove naman. 18238 nga siya. So ayun sir, this one, no papers, and then baka mahanap nyo pa sir yung papers, sabihan nyo lang ako, baka mahanap nyo. The best I can give talaga sir is 125. 1995 pa sir lumabas eh. Akala ko po talaga ano eh. Pag nakita nyo sir yung papeles nito, sige, biling ko yung papeles nito sir pag nahanap nyo. Kasi hindi na mahanap ni sir yung papers eh. 125. Deal, deal. Sir, sorry nakakayaran sa inyo eh. Okay na sir, deal tayo. Deal, 125, deal. Ayan guys, done deal tayo. This is the cash na 125 additional ni sir.
Day-date for?
Yeah, for the Yachtmaster. Patingin nga sa yung nasa ayan na. Hawak, suot na ni sir. Ayun. Ayan, masaya sir. Again sir, maraming salamat. Thank you. Good deal, good deal.